welcome to the world of creativity. Today we will make charming birds using thumbprints. Let's dive right in. Simply dip your finger in paint and make fingerprints on cardboard to create cute little bird shape. Using a thread and sellotape, hang them on the frame. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share. Stay tuned.